Hi and welcome back to the Sektor Malaysia channel. Today, we're unboxing the Honeywell Xenon Ultra 1960 scanner. Now, let's open the box and see what's inside. Let's go ahead and open this up to take a closer look. We have the USB-C cord, followed by the scanner itself, and of course, the instruction manual. Here are some key specifications of the scanner. It operates in temperatures ranging from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius and handles humidity up to 95%. Built for durability, it withstands drops from 2 meters and runs on 5V power. Plus, the Honeywell scanner management utility makes setup and updates simple, making it ideal for any operational setting. Next, it's time to turn on the scanner. To connect the USB cable to the scanner, connect this part of the cable to the bottom of the scanner and you are all set. This advanced scanner features green dot LED aimers for precise targeting and warm white illumination for improved visibility. Its IR capabilities help reduce false activations, ensuring efficient scanning in high-throughput environments. If you're interested in pricing or availability, don't hesitate to contact Sektor Malaysia. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.